Everyone selling you an AI agent skips the same slide, what it actually costs to run. So today, I am running mine 1,200 times, and we are reading the bill together. This channel now runs 2 agents you have already seen built, the support agent from episode 3 and the invoice reader. Today, the support agent gets a stress test. The same 12-ticket inbox 100 times in a row. 1,200 real model calls. And then we read the bill. The build takes 2 minutes because the agent already exists. 2 code nodes. The same inbox loader from episode 3 and the same agent, wrapped in one loop. You paste in the loader, then the agent code. Pause here if you want it line by line, or grab it from the repo below. The only new part is at the top. A loop that runs the whole inbox 100 times and writes a receipt after every pass. Answered, escalated, run number. You'll want those receipts in a minute. Hit execute, and now we wait. This is real, so I sped it up. Watch the receipt counter climb. Every pass is 12 tickets. Every ticket is 1 model call. 100 passes, 15 minutes and 24 seconds on the wall clock. 1,200 calls, 0 crashes. Now the bill. And there's no estimating here. FAL bills this model flat. 1/10 of 1 cent per request. It's on their public pricing page, and every response carries a billable units header you can check yourself. 1,200 calls, times 1/10 of a cent, $1.20. That's the whole stress test. Per ticket, that's 1/10 of a cent. 1,000 tickets a month? About $1 plus a $4 box to run n8n on. Call it $5 a month, all in. But cheap is worthless if it's random, so here's the measurement nobody publishes. Consistency. 100 identical inboxes. Did the agent make the same calls every time? 98 out of 100 runs came back identical. 9 answered, 3 escalated, the same tickets every time. And the 2 runs that differed? The agent got more careful, not less. It escalated 1 extra ticket instead of answering it. The citation gate holds under repetition. That's what you actually want to know before you trust one of these with real customers. For scale, Intercom's Fin, the market leader, charges 99 cents per outcome. That's their public price, and to be fair, Fin is a whole platform. Inbox, routing, analytics, compliance. This build is none of that. But the raw model work inside that 99 cents? You just watched it cost 1/10 of a cent. The other 98.9 cents is packaging. Sometimes worth it. Now you know what it's for. The honest part. This bill leaves things out. Your time building it, keeping the knowledge base current, and connecting a real help desk. That's OAuth and webhooks we didn't pay for here. Our tickets are short. Longer conversations cost more on token price providers. 2 more things you should know. My first attempt died at exactly 5 minutes. n8n's default task, timeout. 1 environment variable fixes it. It's in the repo. And the endpoint I'm using is marked deprecated, so this exact price may not survive. The math is the part that lasts. Count your calls, multiply by your provider's public rate, and read your own bill. Everything from this build, the files, the numbers, the parts that fought back, is linked below. Build it, break it, make it yours, and it ships itself. See you in the next one.